This trains traverse the structure in opposite directions, passing through a tunnel that had been carved into the high-rise building.
Start! 2、1，走！走！
With a shopping cart as their unconventional prop, the skilled performer held on to the cart handles and executed a slow and controlled inversion.
I think he is. I've seen him before.
This trick involves holding 2 cigar boxes between their heels, throwing them upwards, and catching them mid-air while simultaneously juggling additional objects. A 16-year-old circus performer jumps 17 meters on dirt bike. Teamwork gone wrong. One of the men lost his grip and tumbled to the ground. Have you ever seen the barbell to be broken? Watch this.
Kasa.
Skillfully throw and catch the ice cream with serving spoons took an amusing twist.
Check.
Wow. The clip features a group of children playing football, with one youngster showcasing exceptional ball control and dribbling skills. He effortlessly navigates past his teammates, demonstrating a level of talent that stands out from the rest.